And here's the balance thing. And the game that you're supposed to play is you balance these animals. This thing rocks when you set it on the thing, and you balance them on top of each other like this. You can stack them on the picture, on the thing. They're all stacked like a pyramid. So how this game, so let's talk about this, how I would use this game. So the information that you can share is about the animals. So these I see hippo, monkey, some kind of monkey, camel, giraffe. They're all different animals. Here's an alligator or some kind of platypus, maybe something. All different sorts of animals in here. And you can talk about these animals, real things, the information about the animals themselves, the actual natural animals. And you can talk about their names, sounds, diet, and habitat. And then you analyze. You compare these toy aspects. What's different about the monkey that has bananas all over it versus a real monkey that has fur all over it, right? And the challenge of this game is a fine motor stacking and balance activity. That's what you do with it. And this game, you figure out how to work.